Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add and connect payment methods to your Wix website. This is essential if we want to start accepting online payments from our customers securely and easily. Now let's get started. On the Wix dashboard, all we need to do first is select the website where we want to add a payment method. Once we are here, we just need to click on Sales, and under Sales, we can see Payments and Finances. Here, we can see All Payments. We just need to click on All Payments. Once we are here, we need to click Manage Payment Methods. Now we can add and connect by clicking Connect, then log into our account to connect the PayPal account. This adds it to our payment methods. We can now accept online payments. And that's how we add and connect payment methods to our Wix website.